welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Leandra, and if you are a returning viewer, hopefully you have subscribed and are coming back to see what else I have to show you guys. So today I'm going to be cooking baked spaghetti, and I had to send my daughter to the store this morning to get most of the ingredients because I didn't have everything. The only thing I had was some ground turkey, and I had some angel hair spaghetti, but I didn't have enough noodles, so I told her to get some more. So she got the spaghetti noodles. We have 2 bags of sharp cheese, some pepperoni, bell pepper, and I have 2 ragu sauce. And I'm also going to cut up some onions as I'm cooking my ground turkey. So this is basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to brown my ground turkey and boil my noodles on top of the stove. And then I'm going to come layer it in my dish. And I'm going to put it in the oven. And we're going to have baked spaghetti. Okay, here's what it looks like before I put it in the oven. And I will show you guys the finished product. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I love to have a nice clean juice, fresh vegetable juice. So what I'm going to use today is some beets that I purchased. They're really small. I usually like to try to get 3 big ones, but these are just some red beets that I'm going to juice. This is a magic bullet that I have here, so that's what I'm going to be using. So I have some red beets and I have some ginger. So this is really all I'm going to use. Have some ginger. I like the taste of ginger. I like the taste of beets. So we're gonna get these beets cleaned off, cut them up, because I have a small juicer, and then we're going to juice it down and I'll show you what it looks like. So we're gonna cut up the beets, cut the little stem root off, cut the root off right here. I don't want to blend those up or juice them, so I like to cut these off. And beets are rather messy. They can stain, so be aware of that. And I just cut these down so they'll fit into the little slot in my juicer. And believe it or not, beets, you know, they have a good taste to it. If I had some carrots, I would add carrots because that will give it like a really nice sweet taste. But I don't, so I can still drink it without, you know, all by itself. Or if I had pineapple, or orange, or apple, or something like that, it would help make it a little sweeter. But we're just gonna do the beets and the ginger. Okay, so these pieces should be small enough. And what I've learned over time with my ginger is, instead of trying to cut the skin off, just use a spoon and like scrape it off, and it's much easier and faster, and you don't have to worry about cutting your hand, because sometimes ginger can have all type of grooves and knots in it, so you could easily cut your hand. So I'm just going to take a spoon and I'm going to just peel the skin off. And I did rinse this off. So you can see right there that the skin is coming off pretty easily. So I just gonna do this all the way around till I get it all cleaned off. And you may have already known that. I know when I first started working with ginger, I didn't. I was trying to cut it, and that took too much time. So I'm glad I came across just using a spoon to peel it. And y'all, I don't know why I keep showing y'all cooking stuff, because I told y'all from the beginning, I am not a cook, but it's like when I turn this camera on, I'm cooking or making something. I don't know what's up with that, but so let's see, get this cleaned off as best I can. And if you have a tip different that you use for getting the skin off your ginger, put it down in the comments. Let me know. Never too old to learn something new, right? Okay. I think that's pretty good. I might cut that little tip off. I don't think it will harm the juice because it's gonna juice it down. All right, now it's about to get noisy. So I will get back with you guys and show you, well, I can show you like while the juice is coming out too. So let's just come over here. And then we can see. And this is loud, so. Okay, so that was quick and fast because I only had some small beets. So this is all that I was able to make. This is about, wow, this is not even a good cup. So this is probably going to be like a one-time, you know, use. But I really can't wait until the summertime until I can really enjoy my juices, you know, because the fruit will be nice and sweet and what have you. So this is the juice, and I just like to pour it in like a mason jar. This one happens to have a handle on it, so that's nice. And I have a lid for it, so I just pour it in here and I store it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to drink it. Which will be, you know, I'll probably drink this all at one time because, you know, as you can see, it's not that much. You know, it didn't even fill up my mason jar. So, yeah, let's give it a try, see what it tastes like. That's good. The ginger is strong in it. Some people may not can handle the taste of ginger, but myself, I like it. And it's really good when it gets cold. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge, let it get cold, and I'm gonna enjoy it. Cheers. Okay, real quick guys, I'm about to head out to the gym. This is what I'm wearing. Kind of like a blue top. These are my leggings, shoes. Oh, I wear the same ones, but I'm about to go get this workout in. I'll see y'all later. Okay, here is the final product. Looks good, and I know it's gonna taste good. Yeah.